YouTube. It is the godfather of social media platforms. Literally, all you need is a camera, a little bit of confidence, and a free editing software, and you can turn your passion into videos seen by hundreds, if not thousands of people. But here is the thing. There's always two sides to every coin.
Burnout. I'm burned out. YouTube creator burnout is a real thing.
Burnout, depression, social anxiety, and even self-doubt can all make a YouTuber's journey come to a complete end, which it did for us. And you couple all that together with the first, dumbest, most stupidest bloody project to start a new channel ever, the bloody Patrol. The Patrol, the OG vehicle for the channel, and it's also the vehicle that has broken us. 700 plus hours from a wrecked, rolled mess. This is a bit of a worry. That's gonna need a lot of work. To almost a fully fledged vehicle back on the road. This build has pushed us to our limits and mentally frying our brain, but we haven't given up just yet. So where have we been? What have we been doing? Where is the Patrol? And why we have come back to YouTube are the main questions that we have to answer in this video, along with another one which we get asked quite recently, and that is, are we still doing the repairable write-off cars from the auction? And that is a big fat yes. And a matter of fact, I've got one to show you that we just finished right now. Yes, a BMW. Who would have thought we would have owned a BMW? In particular, an E90 platform. And in my opinion, just look at it. One of the best coupes you could bloody buy. Specs coming at you. A 2008 325i with a 2.5 litre straight six N52 up front, ZF 6-speed automatic behind it, driving the 18-inch wheels at the very rear. It's got all the nice plush leather, optional sunroof, and all the cushy gadgety things that you could ever want. And here's the thing, we got this thing, get ready for this whole gem of a car for $2,000. I'll say that again, $2,000. Like literally, you can't even get a clapped out Camry for 2,000 bucks these days. But I must say, it never looked like this when we first got it. Yes, she was an insurance write-off, and the damage was right around this sort of area. It got damaged right on the bar, right on the guard, even hit the bonnet, and then exploded the actual guard. And when I mean exploded, that was the guard that was on the car. The whole front end was actually missing when we got the car. But I know what you're thinking, Why would they write off the whole car just for those couple of things? Well, I'll tell you this, the culprit is this one here, the bi-xenon headlight, which retails brand new $1,800. But this one's special. This one is a slightly bit different. This one is the adaptive bi-xenon headlight, which in short means wherever the steering wheel turns at night time, so does the headlights. Hence the name adaptive, which I think is pretty cool for a 2008 model car. And they retail for $2,300. So you can see why the insurance company totaled this car and sent it to the auctions. $2,300 for a headlight, more than likely quoted a new bonnet, new guard, and a new front bumper, which would put this repair over what the actual car's really worth. But unlike insurance companies, us punters are willing to give it a go and see if we can risk it all to get these things back on the road. And we've done exactly that. We got a new but second-hand front guard, new but second-hand front bumper, straightened out all the inner area that got absolutely mashed, including this bonnet that was actually punched to the wazoo and all buckled in. We straightened all that one out, all in our ginormous booth. It actually looks a lot bigger in person than what it does look on camera. Then we slapped it all back together, taking into consideration a couple of maintenancing, gaskets, filters, oil, and bits and pieces like that. We've come to a grand total of just under $3,000. Which in turn was going to make us a tidy little profit on this little car. If you take in comparisons on Facebook Marketplace, these things go or advertise from anywhere from $8,000 all the way up to $13,000, which Look, I think he's dreaming like 13 grand for something like this. I don't think he's gonna get it, but look, if you take, you know, halfway, 8 to 9 grand, hey, $6,000, I'll take that any day of the week. That was until this one claimed it for herself. Look, I couldn't be happier. It's a fantastic car, and I'd rather drive a piece of German engineering than some clapped out bloody thing for $3,000 anyway, which gives us the excuse to actually upgrade as we move forward, which brings us to the point what we're actually doing with our channel. Right, now to get on to the future and what we decided to do with this channel. Let's get forward a bit. Need to get in there. So this has taken a lot of thought, whether to get back into YouTube or not, because going full time into it is a massive commitment. And we come up with three points that we're gonna change for the future. Number one, we will not be having any other social media platform other than YouTube. So there's no Facebook, no Instagram, and no TikTok, which now means the time that we're putting into other social media platforms, we can put into this one. Better videos, better interaction with you guys, and making a rebuild community and hopefully a chur family. And if you're not part of that family now, hit that subscribe button, because this is the only place you're gonna see us. Which brings us on to point number 2. Yes, that's right, we're not doing sectioned videos. We're not doing a video where we're only doing one bit at a time, then another video with another bit at a time. We're actually doing from start to finish full-length videos. So whether that takes 1 week, 1 month, or 1 year to do a particular project, aka the patrol, we won't be showing it until it's actually finished now. Yes, it does sound like a bit of YouTube suicide, which the algorithm loves uploading videos, but for our mental health, stamina, and actually getting these projects actually finished, this is the way we're gonna go for the future. Which I know some of you will be upset. I know you like seeing regular uploads, but that brings us on to number 3. Yes, we've opened up the membership tab. So basically what we're thinking is, in between all these builds, and it might be a week or a month or a year between these sort of builds, people can log on as a member and actually see behind the scenes live videos, live chat rooms, and get a little bit closer to our lives, because we get a little bit lonely out in this shed out in the middle of nowhere. So it's actually good that we actually get someone to talk to, and we can give you sneak peeks of what we're going, what we're planning, and what that particular build is actually up to. But honestly, that wraps up all the changes that we're going to do to the channel. No more social media except for YouTube, long form content from start to finish builds, and we're ticked open that membership people for the core followers to join up and see behind the scenes, live videos, live streams, and everything to get their little, you know, tickle the pickle to get them through until the actual video comes out. But that's a wrap, guys. Thanks very much for the support and all the messages and checking up on us, see if we're still all right up here and everything like that. We are still here, we're still punching through. The patrol video will come sometime. We're still working on it. I'm actually going back in to work on it now. But thanks again, much love, and peace out. On the road again, which I think, what was that weird hiccup thing? I nearly swallowed my tongue.